Imagine a world without moonlit nights, no poetic full moons, and brace yourself, no werewolves. The moon, Earth's ever-faithful companion, has been hanging around for billions of years, pulling the tides, illuminating the darkness, and occasionally getting blamed for human mood swings. But have you ever wondered where it came from? How did it start circling Earth like a devoted satellite? And, more importantly, what would happen if it suddenly packed its bags and left? Let's embark on a cosmic journey and unravel the mystery of the moon's origins, its impacts on Earth, and the terrifying scenario of an Earth without its celestial buddy. The moon didn't always exist. In fact, if you rewound time by about 4.5 billion years, you'd see Earth all by itself, a young, molten world just minding its own business. And then bam, disaster struck. The most widely accepted theory of the moon's birth is the giant impact hypothesis, which sounds like the title of a Hollywood blockbuster. According to this theory, a Mars-sized planet named Theia, yes, it even has a name, came hurtling toward Earth, colliding with it in a cataclysmic explosion. The impact was so violent that a chunk of Earth's mantle got blasted into space, forming a swirling disk of debris. Over time, gravity worked its magic, pulling these fragments together to create what we now call the moon. Of course, not everyone is sold on this dramatic origin story. Other theories have tried to stake their claim. The fission theory. This one suggests that the moon was once a part of Earth but was ripped away due to our planet's rapid spinning. A bit of an extreme breakup, if you ask me. The capture theory. Maybe the moon was a rogue wanderer in space that got caught by Earth's gravity. Think of Earth lassoing a passing rock and refusing to let go. The co-formation theory, perhaps Earth and the moon were just a cosmic peas in a pod, forming side by side from the same disk of dust and gas. While these theories have their fans, the giant impact hypothesis remains the heavyweight champion of moon origin stories. Why the moon revolves around Earth. Once the moon formed, it didn't just float around aimlessly like a lost balloon. Earth's gravity grabbed hold of it, and thanks to a little thing called angular momentum, the moon settled into a stable orbit. Imagine swinging a bull tied to a string. The bull keeps moving in a circular path because of the balance between the tension in the string and its forward motion. Similarly, the moon is forever caught in a celestial tug-of-war, moving around Earth while also trying to escape. And here's a fun fact, the moon is actually drifting away from us. Every year, it moves about 3.8 centimeters farther from Earth. At this rate, in a few billion years, Earth might have to say, "It's not you, it's me," and bid the moon farewell. The moon isn't just a pretty nightlight, it's a planetary bodyguard, a timekeeper, and an unsung hero of life on Earth. Here's how. The moon's gravitational pull creates the rise and fall of ocean tides. Without the moon, tides would be much weaker and marine ecosystems would be thrown into chaos. The moon helps keep Earth's axis tilted at a steady angle about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is what gives us seasons. Without the moon, Earth's axis might wobble wildly, causing extreme climate shifts. Imagine a world where summer lasts for decades, followed by a sudden ice age. Not ideal. The moon acts as a brake, slowing Earth's rotation over millions of years. Billions of years ago, a day on Earth lasted only about 6 hours. Thanks to the moon's gravitational influence, we now enjoy a comfortable 24-hour day. Some scientists believe that the moon's influence on tides helped life move from the oceans to land. Without it, our evolutionary timeline might have looked very different, perhaps even delaying or preventing human existence altogether. Let's imagine, for a moment, that the moon vanished overnight. What would happen? Nights would be pitch black, making it much harder for nocturnal animals and unlucky humans without flashlights. Tides would shrink, disrupting marine life and coastal ecosystems. Earth's rotation could become erratic, leading to wild climate swings. Days might become significantly shorter, throwing biological rhythms into chaos. And worst of all, without the moon's romantic glow, poets and lovers alike would be utterly lost. The moon isn't just a dead rock in the sky. It's Earth's loyal companion, keeping our planet in check and shaping life as we know it. From its dramatic birth to its vital role in our existence, the moon is a celestial superstar. So next time you look up at the night sky, give a little nod to the moon. After all, without it, Earth might just be a chaotic, lifeless mess like a planet that missed out on having a best friend.